Have you ever wondered why millionaires seem to always get richer while most people struggle just to get by? It's not just about working harder, it's about creating multiple streams of income. In fact, studies show that the average millionaire has at least 7 different income streams. In this video, we're breaking down all 7 with a real example so you can start building them for yourself. The first stream is the most obvious: earned income, the money you make from a job or active work. Whether you're a doctor, engineer, or a freelancer, this is usually where everyone starts. The problem? You're trading time for money. If you stop working, the money stops too. That's why millionaires use earned income as just a foundation, not the end goal. The second stream is profit income, money made from selling something for more than it cost you. Example: if you start an online store and buy a product for $10 but sell it for $30, you've made $20 a profit. This could be from a business, flipping real estate, or even selling digital products. Millionaires love profit income because it has no ceiling. Your income depends on how big your business can grow. The third stream is interest income, earning money by lending your money out. Think savings accounts, bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending. Example: if you put $50,000 into a bond that pays 4% annually, you make $2,000 a year just for parking your money there. Millionaires use interest income to make their money work while they sleep. Number 4 is dividend income, money paid to you for owning stocks in certain companies. For example, if you own 1,000 shares of Coca-Cola and they pay £180 per share annually, you'd earn $1,000 a year in dividends without selling your stock. Millionaires love dividend stocks because they provide steady cash flow on top of potential stock growth. Next up, rental income. This comes from owning real estate and renting it out to tenants. Example: if you buy a property and your tenants pay $2,000 a month while your expenses are $200, you're pocketing $800 profit every single month. Millionaires often use rental income to create predictable, long-term wealth. And the bonus? Real estate usually increases in value over time. Number 6 is capital gains, the profit from selling an asset that went up in value. Example: if you bought Apple stock for $100 a share and later sold it at $200, that's a $100 capital gain per share. Or maybe you bought a house for $250,000 and sold it for $30,000. That's a $100,000 gain. Millionaires take advantage of capital gains by buying and holding assets that appreciate over time. And finally, number 7, royalty income. This is money you earn when people use your ideas, products, or creations. Think authors earning royalties on every book sold, musicians getting paid every time their song plays, or inventors licensing their product to companies. In today's digital age, this also includes YouTubers, course creators, or app developers, all creating income streams from intellectual property. So there you have it, the 7 streams of income millionaires rely on: earned, profit, interest, dividends, rental, capital gains, and royalties. Most people only have 1 or 2, but millionaires diversify across several. That way, if one stream dries up, they've got 6 more flowing. The lesson here is simple. Don't rely on just one income stream. Start small, maybe add dividends through investing, or create profit income by starting a side business. Over time, as you build more streams, your path to wealth becomes unstoppable. Thanks for watching. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and comment below. Which income stream do you want to start building first?